Hello, my name is Stephan Hilmer, and I've had the honor of leading Tridelta Medentia for several years now. I have outstanding employees, a great team that has grown into a topic that's very important to me over the last few years. And as a team, we've decided that we want to bring this a little closer to Germany, Europe, and the rest of the world. Back in 2020, we were struggling with a few issues, and that's when I found a great mentor, Paul Akers, who was well known in his home country, the US, as well as in Ireland, Japan, and other countries around the world, but was barely known in Germany and still isn't very well known today. And he introduced the 2-second lean methodology. Saying he introduced it might be a bit of an understatement. He actually shares everything completely free of charge and coaches employees, managers, and anyone interested in how they can improve themselves, their company, their hobby, or whatever it may be. The real secret behind it is simply to improve by 2 seconds every single day. I had the honor back then, and still do today, of always being welcome all over the world. I've traveled to the US, Japan, Ireland, and here in Germany, and every door was always open. Today, we want to make sure that we in Germany get that drive back to keep developing. And since at the end of the day, it's not always that easy to motivate employees and to really get across what the benefit actually is of developing yourself daily and making daily improvements. That's exactly why we want to start this format. We want to keep it simple, realistic, and also ask the critical questions, showing you how to actually implement Lean, Kaizen, and all those buzzwords in the real world with real people and real problems. Unfortunately, there are only a few good companies here in Germany that actually implement this in their daily operations. There are many consultants who know the talking points and concepts inside out, but they sometimes neglect the culture behind them. And for us here in Hermsdorf, Thuringia at Tridelta Medentia, culture is the real key to it all. We want to give, not just take, and we want everyone in our company to benefit from it. And we want to share all of that with you. I'm really looking forward to taking you along on this journey, and I'd love to get your feedback.